slice the onion into large strips and sauté with a bit of oil in a pan. Add a little salt and turmeric and sauté. Add the ground meat and sauté until it changes color. Then add some salt, pepper, and rice spices and sauté. Add the tomato paste and sauté, then add the lemon juice and sauté again. Peel and finely grate the carrots, then sauté with a bit of oil. Add the carrots to the meat mixture and combine. Soak the barberries in water for 10 minutes, then sauté with some butter and oil in the pan. Add a little sugar to make them shiny, then add to the meat mixture. Add some brewed saffron to the mixture and sauté. Parboil the rice with some water and salt, then drain. For the tatak, crispy bottom layer, place some oil, brewed saffron, sesame seeds, potato slices, and carrot slices at the bottom of the pot. Layer the rice, meat mixture, and rice spices until all ingredients are used. Add half a cup of boiling water, cover the pot with a cloth, and let it steam on low heat for 30 minutes. Enjoy your meal.